Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with another video for you, a late night video for you. The time is about 12:30 in the morning and I've been doing my hair since about 3 o'clock this afternoon. Oh my gosh, you can only imagine how tired I am and how much I want to be done with this video. I thought I was gonna be able to like do my makeup, wear a cute outfit, but no, it's 12:30 between like washing and deep conditioning and eating and trying to just be done with my hair. I'm just exhausted and ready to lay down and finish watching Teen Mom. Now I'm trying to stay on schedule, y'all. I haven't been doing good with uploading on every like Monday or Wednesday or whatever it was that I said, Monday and Thursday, but I'm trying to at least put up 1 to 2 videos a week, and I won't have another opportunity to upload after today, so I need to just go ahead and get this done by any means necessary, bare face and all, and t-shirt, and let's just get this finished and get you guys some good information, because I've really been waiting to review this blow dryer since way back when. So let's get started. So for this video, I'm going to be talking about the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. See? Now I saw this hair dryer on the internet and was wondering, like, is that really a good blow dryer? Because I really like a blow dryer to have a lot of force behind it, have a lot of heat if I need it, and you know, just overall good hair dryer. And I've been looking for something to replace the awkward, you know, but still classic and traditional style design, you know, of the blow dryer, because it's really hard trying to get back here and, you know, in the roots and all that. So I'm like, oh, a paddle brush hair dryer, that's perfect. You know, it's just like holding a hairbrush. So I went to Ulta back in like February, March, and picked it up. I was so happy to see it on the shelf, because I thought maybe this is just an internet thing. Maybe they're just sending it to certain people and it doesn't really, you know, exist in the stores yet. But I found it was about $54 with tax, and I'm just now trying it because I'm just now straightening my hair. Now, I will say I was pretty excited, but when I used it, that excitement deflated significantly, because it just didn't have the roar and the force of the air that I needed. You know, let me just let you hear it so you can see what I'm talking about. Now, just to let you know, it has 3 settings: a cool, low, and high. Cool is cool, but low and high, same temperature for both, just different rate of speed for the airflow. That blew me a little bit too, but I'll come back to that. So this is cool. Low. It reminds me a lot of a hotel blow dryer. You know, those blow dryers that sit in the bathroom wall, and they're really just there to kind of like dry a spot on your shirt. As far as like drying your whole head with it, that's not gonna happen. So when I started using it and I heard it, and I was like, oh God, this is not gonna dry my hair. And sure enough, I was drying one section of hair and it seemed like it was just taking too long. So I unplugged it. I said, I'm done. I don't have the time. This already is a long enough process. So I tossed it to the side. Was trying to remember in my head, like, do I still have the receipt? Because this is going back. Even if Ulta only gives me a store credit, I'll buy some makeup, whatever, I don't care. But $54, my Conair blow dryer, the orange one, that only cost $30, and it had way more force behind it. And on top of that, the low is a low speed and lower temperature, and the high is a high speed with higher temperature, and it has a cool button as well. So let me let you hear the differences for the low and high on the Conair. So with the Conair, I can actually feel the forcefulness of all the air coming through the nozzle. With the paddle brush, it's kind of like a diffused type of feel. Like, you know, when you put a diffuser on the end of your blow dryer, it spreads out, you know, the intensity of the airflow. That's what this paddle brush felt like. So I'm like, that's not gonna work to like dry my hair. But I said, you know what, Ebony, you gotta at least get through one section if you're gonna review this properly. So I was like, okay, fine. Especially since I was fighting with the comb attachment for my blow dryer. That is always a thing that is just, I used the blow dryer, the paddle brush blow dryer, for one full section. And I was like, okay, this is okay. This isn't as bad as I thought. I may have given up a little bit too soon, especially since it didn't take much longer. And it did take longer, but not very much longer, you know, to dry a section, as opposed to in comparison to when I was using the Conair. Now, another thing I liked about the paddle brush blow dryer is the fact that it promises less heat damage. ionic technology that reduces frizz and enhances shine. The large paddle design, which of course is a plus. This is why I bought it, because it feels like, you know, just brushing your hair. And then of course it has detangling bristles, it's lightweight, blah, 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 blah. Now, I will say this, I did notice less frizz with each section that I blow dry as opposed to when I was using my orange blow dryer, which is strange because this one promises less frizz too, because it has the same ionic technology that reduces frizz, the nanos, you know that whole thing. So I'm like, maybe the little bit of extra time is worth it if I'm gonna get a less frizzy result, because at the end of the day, I am trying to straighten my hair. So to wrap up this whole video, will I repurchase this blow dryer if I ever need to in the future? Maybe, maybe not. I'm still somewhat on the fence. I just think that this would be perfect if it had way more power as far as the airflow. If they put like a really good motor in there, then I will be completely on board. I don't know why Chi or Babyliss or Yellowbird, some of the really big name blow dryers don't do something like this. Maybe they were planning to and Revlon beat them to the punch. I don't know, but if I could have that design with a Chi motor inside or a Babyliss motor inside, I would be completely satisfied, because my hair holds a lot of water. And when you're putting heat protectants on top of it, it makes it that much more difficult to get your hair dry, especially when you're trying to get it dry quickly. So I don't know, I think I will probably use this blow dryer. Well, I kind of really don't have any choice, but I will only use this blow dryer whenever I straighten my hair. But I don't know if I would repurchase. I think I would probably just buy a better blow dryer than what I have as far as that same traditional design. I don't know. I like it, but I don't know. It's not powerful enough. Maybe if my hair was shorter, I would be happy with it, like 100% happy with it. But with all this hair, I need something that's gonna like, because I want to be done. Like I really want to be. I want to finish as quickly as possible because it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning and this is just ridiculous, you know. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this very late video. Have you guys tried the paddle brush blow dryer yet? Let me know in the comments below. Have you seen anyone else use it? What did they think? Did they love it? Did they hate it? Were they on the fence like me? And yeah, I think that's it for this video. So if you don't mind, go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it. Share this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And as always, thanks for watching. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I'm so glad I remembered this. Make sure you go to self.com and check out this article, because I'm one of the featured hair bloggers in this article. It's all about transitioning and giving tips and what I think people should do, what worked for me, what I experienced. Go ahead and click on that link. I will put it in the description box. And I just want to say thank you to self.com for reaching out to me and asking if I would write something for their article. I thought that was really cool, and I hope it will help so many curly girls out there, or soon to be curly girls. Yeah, I thought my camera just froze. I need to go to sleep. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.